excited. Look at this. There's some empty jars, but we're going to move some of the jars out of the kitchen cupboards now. So these are basically from Wix. And then you just stick these sort of bracket things underneath them. So these are really easy to like sort of move the shelves. And we've got the boards from Wix as well, and just varnished them. I do need to finish up like some of the varnishing of the edges and stuff, and maybe round the corners a little bit. But I could not be happier with this. So like obviously it's quite high, so at the top I'll put stuff that like we don't need to use that much. And the flooring just needs the edging put in, but that's going to be done now. Just couldn't wait to show you. And this is like peel and stick vinyl, and then just need to put a little bit of edging here as well. But and in the middle here is going to be like a stool, so I can stand up and reach everything. But it literally is my cupboard of dreams. Hi there, I'm going to have to apologise for the rubbish lighting in this video. It's a really awkward sort of space to film, and also apologise to my natural frizzy hair. This is what you get today. So I'm going to show you today our homemade pantry. Super excited about this. Basically it came about, this room used to be a little downstairs toilet, really small, and the toilet was leaking and it was like causing loads of problems, damp problems with the floor. So it needed to be ripped out anyway. And then I thought, do you know what, we don't use it that much and the space would be better suited to a pantry. Especially because I've got a really bad back. I've got scoliosis, so I find bending down difficult. And a lot of our cupboards are sort of under counter cupboards. So I was finding that I was having to bend down a lot to get ingredients out, and I do a lot of cooking. So anyway, yeah, so this space is so much better. It's just off the kitchen, so it's really close. And it's just so much easier to get all my stuff out. So basically, we ripped everything out of this room. We didn't even plaster it. I sort of did a rough patch up job. Then we painted it in a Farrow and ball paint just because that's what I had in the loft. And then we got shelves from Wix and brackets. And hubby screwed those on the wall. He measured it all out and everything. Screwed those on the wall. Put the shelves on. We varnished the shelves. They do need a bit of finishing off. And then we just, yeah, put all of our sort of goods, pantry goods in here. So I'm going to give you a little pantry tour. So, like from the floor down, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a really small space. On the floor down here, I want to replace the whole kitchen floor, but can't afford to do it yet, so we just put peel and stick vinyl over the old flooring because it had all been ruined from the damp. And yeah, if you can see here, these are the shelves that we used. We use these I don't know what you call them, like hook-on railings, so then you can just put the brackets where you want them. So we put those around. We did screw these into the bottom of the shelves just so that they would be sturdy because we've got kids and we didn't want them pulling them off. But they are actually really easy just to unscrew if you wanted to move the shelves up and down. So yeah, this in the middle here is our old, it's like one of those toddler steps for the kitchen. It used to have a back here. So my little boy used to stand in the middle and he wouldn't fall off because he loves helping me cook. So actually I just took the back of it off and it works really well as a step in here, and then we can still pull it out for him to use in the kitchen. So yeah, so we've got a bit of storage on the bottom. So we've just got dog food and oat milk down there. And then on the bottom shelf, which is top shelf I have to bend down to, we've just got a few tins, pasta packets, some more tins and a couple of smoothie mixes. Luckily we had a lot of our stuff already in glass jars, so we didn't have to buy loads of jars. And we also like save jars from things, like as you can see, I think that's in a coconut oil jar and this is a jam jar or something. So yeah, we save those out and wash them, especially if they're pretty jars like like this one, you probably recognise that, that's the jam. Yeah, and so I've got a label maker, just a boring old label maker, and write labels on things, and other ones I've just stuck stickers on saying what they are. And so yeah, I've got literally, there's no rhyme or reason to where everything is, but it's kind of things that I use most accessible. Coffee beans, yeast because I make a lot of bread, there's crisps and stuff. These are cool. These I got on Temu to rotate, and you can see the oils, so that's nice and easy. This is granola, lots of nuts, of stock and flavour packets, naughty drinks. These I got on Temu as well, these little egg storage things. We use a lot of eggs because we're a larger family. So I really like that because then you know which egg to use next. And then up here, I do plan on replacing these eventually with glass pots, but that will do for now. And then right at the top is my sourdough bowl, more naughty drinks, and just more ingredients basically. So it's quite simple, but it's really, really effective. The kitten absolutely loves it in here. Can't get to any food, don't worry. But yeah, he likes it in here, and the utility room's next door, and he likes to watch the washing machine go round. So I hope you liked this little pantry tour. I am going to try and like put little photos of in between as we were making it in, and so I can show you. And otherwise, come back for my next video. Bye.